Want to learn how to create a seamless pattern in Procreate? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is one of the tutorials of my Christmas Gnome series for Procreate. In the previous tutorials, we learned how to color in Procreate without going over the lines using the selection tool, and we also learned how to perfectly outline a sticker all by using the Procreate app. If you haven't watched the previous tutorials and would like to check them out, the links will be in the description below. Let's learn how to create a seamless pattern using the Procreate app. So to create a seamless pattern in Procreate, we are going to open our Procreate app, and I'm using a 1000 by 1000 pixel Canva to create our pattern. So I'm going to tap, hold, and drag and fill with this color. Now I'm going to select the color Pure Black. I'm going to add a new layer on top of it. I'm going to tap, select it, and place it like this. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to select, place it like this, duplicate, select, place it like this, duplicate, select, and place it like this. So this is the basis of our pattern. Now that I'm happy with this pattern, I'm going to merge all these layers over here, and I'm going to turn on the drawing guide. So I'll go over here. Since it's a 1000 by 1000, I know that if I divide it by 4, it's 250, actually 500. Okay, perfect. I'm just going to change the color of the grid and the opacity. So I'm pleased with this. Now what I'm gonna do is duplicate this layer 3 times, and with the first layer I'm gonna place it over here. The second layer I'm gonna place it over here. The third layer I'm gonna place it over here, and the fourth layer I'm gonna place it over here. So I'm happy with this, but I think we can add a couple of gnomes over here. So if I merge all the layers, add a new layer, I can stamp my gnome and place a gnome over here. And now we can complete our pattern like this. And let's see another one like here, like this. And now we can merge all the layers, and there you go. We've quickly created a seamless pattern using the Procreate app. And we are done. We have just created a seamless pattern using the Procreate app that you can take inspiration from and really create any pattern that you want. In our next tutorial, we are going to create a kind of a retro groovy background for your gnome using the Procreate app. If you like Christmas gnomes, make sure to check out my full Christmas Gnome stamp set for Procreate, or grab a sample of the set. The links will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations.